Hi everyone, a new day, a new AI tool. This is called Magic AI. This is turn your image product into a full video like this. You can generate UGC ads or video ads from just uploading your product. Look at this video. It's generated from the image. All this, it's a video ad from the other product. Now just log in on this AI tool, and here you can generate mockups or UGC ads. You just upload your product image from your desktop, and here click upload it and choose what you want, and here click on create. Now you choose the templates you want to create. You want to create a mockups video or UGC video like this, or you can create the ads video like this. Just choose what the kind of video you like it, and click on the templates. Let's choose one in here. Let's choose this. Just click on this and click use template. Here it show you how the products look like. You can generate a content video from your product and upload it on your social media account. Use this AI tool. It's create a high quality video just in one click. Here all the UGC ads, you find it here, and here the mockups video, and here the packaging fix. You can change the background for your product, so use this AI tool. It's actually a helpful AI tool, and have a free plan. You can start with free and use it. That's it in this video. If you want more AI tool review, subscribe and see you the next one.